Is it time to change the content that you make? Are you looking to pivot, or maybe you're just not sure what niche you want to make content in? My name's Alan. I'm a YouTube certified expert. I've been creating content online for nearly 2 decades. I've helped multiple people and multiple brands receive YouTube play buttons. In fact, there's a few more to come soon. And the most important thing is about the direction of your content. You need to understand what your direct goal for your content happens to be. My channel here is to help people like you understand what they need to do on their YouTube channel to grow, to help grow their brand, their business, make money, that kind of thing. That way I know who my audience is at the other end. You could be a weight loss channel in which you're documenting your weight loss journey and you're hoping to share with people your journey so it can humanize the whole experience. That's what I'm doing on my other channel. Alanspicer is losing it, by the way. But what that also does, it holds me accountable and it connects me with other people on the similar weight loss journey with a Mounjaro jab, which is a GLP-1, just like Ozempic, Wegovy. I know on that channel is about me helping other people, but it also gives me the chance to promote possibly where I get my medication from, health, lifestyle changes, medications, supplements, exercise ideas. Maybe you're an entertainment channel. You just want to make people laugh. And in the process, maybe all of this energy of you being the next Mr. Beast needs to be powered by G Fuel. Knowing what your niche is about helps you focus on the content that you need to create. If you understand who your audience is, you can then figure out the questions they might ask. Or you can even go into things like ChatGPT and say, hi, I'm a weight loss channel about Mounjaro. I want to make YouTube videos based on this, but I don't know what kind of questions people are most likely to ask. Can you give me a list of 10, 20 videos? And ChatGPT will vomit these ideas out. AI tools these days are YouTube creators' dreams. You can basically tell ChatGPT, I want to connect the highest trending videos with my personality and my personal experience on a specific topic. Give me ideas for videos. That used to be one of the hardest things to do when creating content online. And trust me, as I said, I've been around for nearly 2 decades. But if you're looking at your channel and you're wondering, why isn't it working? Have a look at your channel and consider, do you have a defined niche? Who is your ideal end goal person to watch that content? If you're doing gaming content whilst doing food reviews and then skydiving and knitting, that's too jumbled. Unless you are a celebrity in which people want to know about you, in which then the niche isn't those things, the niche is you. So change, pivot, or look at your niche. That's basically what this video is all about. Try to identify who you're trying to help or entertain. Then figure out what their pain points are and solve them. Just like this. You're confused about what your YouTube channel should be about. I've just told you. Your YouTube channel should be about the thing that you want your audience to watch. And what I want you to watch is these ways to make money online that are easy for you. So not only can you create content online, but it can help pay your bills as well. Check out this video here.